Here are the following steps on how to properly install the Kinlong INS 502U channel. Determine the location of the holes to drill, but ensure that the spacing of such holes is limited to 250 mm. After the drilling is done, fill the holes with epoxy and insert the CAM-D-10C anchor. Position the U-channel by aligning its pre-drilled holes to the installed anchors. Insert the screws on two such holes. This is to secure the channel in place. Set each L-shaped shim inside the U-channel with a center-to-center spacing of 250 mm. Attach the INH 203A gasket to the U-channel. Install the glass panel inside the U-channel and have it lean over the INH 203A gasket. Insert the flat shims on the other side of the glass to squeeze the panel in place. Close the gap between the panel and the U-channel by inserting the INH 203B gasket in place.